Good morning. Are you ready? Dylan, you dancing with mama? Alright, let's move it around our space. So there's nothing like awesome Indian music that really gets you in the mood. Get on the balls of the feet, the hips from side to side. Let your arms do whatever they wish. Roll your shoulders or... Sorry, my phone is blowing up right now. I gotta... Okay. Woo! Wake up those cells, those sleeping cells. Make some sounds. Take out your hands. Where are those places that are holding in this moment? Walk around in a circle. Stretch out. Break out of those achy pains. Snap your fingers. Take out your head. This dance party is not necessarily about me leading you. It's about you leading you. You finding the movements that feel really good. Woo! Good morning, everyone. Or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And I will only suggest things. It might sound like I'm telling you what to do, but I will suggest bouncing your hips around in a circle. What we do is we give our bodies permission to move in all sorts of different directions and ways. This last week I've been really writing a lot at my computer sitting. I do have an awesome chair, but I was finding that my wrists and my hips were achy. So this is the best movement to awaken all of those achy places. Woo! Express yourself with this awesome celebratory music. I'm going to turn up the volume. Hold on. Okay. So let those drums get in your body. Let your heart play. Woo! And when you make sound, it allows those ripples to go through your body, the vibration, and release any tension, pain. The perfect thing to do before you sit in meditation is move your body big, bold. Woo! Bring up those knees if that feels good. Woo! Push your edges a little bit. You bring vibrancy to those places that are sleepy. What are you doing in the world? Who are you impacting? What's your positive change that you're creating? Woo! And what are some of the challenges or obstacles that you're faced with at this time in order to get to that goal of spreading the light, the love, the truth, making a difference for even one person and yourself? How about that? Woo! Your space, breathe. I'm gonna pause for a second. That'd be a good one for tomorrow. How do you feel? Did you go for it? Did you go for it? Did you go for it? So, thank you, beautiful family, for dancing, moving, shaking, being committed to releasing, opening, creating. All of it. Loving you so much. Sending you blasts and blasts and blasts of love and energy and that kind of energy, which is super fun. All right. Bye.